Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna add some small details to the car. First of all, we're gonna add this one. It's the Maxton lip for the rear spoiler. Just a small lip. But we're gonna add this with something else in mind and yeah, you'll see. And the next thing we're gonna install is the bigger one. It's the rear diffuser, just an add-on also from Maxton. It doesn't have any aerodynamic gains. I think maybe, nah. It doesn't have any aerodynamic gains. It's purely just for optics. I was a little bit skeptical at first if I really want to add both of these, but I've seen it on a car and they look really nice. So it's a nice add-on. It's also street legal in Switzerland. So I've got it from TBL Tuning, Philipp Huster. He's a great guy. We got these from him and I bought all the street legal stuff or the street legal add-ons like the front lip, the side skirts and the rear diffuser. It's all from him. Yeah, it's just, I think he does a great job and so that's why I always get it from him. And we're gonna fit them right now on the car. I think this will maybe take half an hour. The most work will be the cleaning, just everything is bonded correctly or is bonding correctly. This one has already, as you can see, the double-sided tape. That's the only thing that holds this in place. So yeah, it's also really light and maybe generate, I don't know, 275 grams of downforce. And I think the car will use a little bit more fuel, but I don't know. It's just a few small add-ons, mostly for optics, or for me it's just for optics. I don't think it has any benefits in aerodynamics. Maybe this one a little bit, but it will be, yeah, a few grams. You won't notice that on a track. On the street, obviously, even less. So let's add these to the car and let's see how that goes. Let's go.
Yeah. Ow! Yeah. Y'all think too small, I got big dreams. You just starting, I'm way ahead at the end scenes. Started reading and dodging all of the quick schemes. Money like your Spotify, boy, I got 10 streams. And I'm still looking for more. My people, they got a soar. I'm putting that on the Lord. Ain't accepting, ignore, just kicking down all the doors. Guarantee you, boy, if I ask for it, it's gotta be real big. I gotta make it just for my kids and for their kids' kids. That's wealth years and years. Promise my brother soon as he out and finish this bid, we finna do it bigger than anybody ever did. The odds is real big. Jobs that's real big. Satan trying a little, my God is real big. Stayed up on the grind on the cars is real big. I gotta do it big, the only way that I can live. And I promise I'm trying to. Before you count me out, homie, let me remind you. They was blocking the shine, now I think it's my time to. Counting them dollar signs like lights, they'll blind you. Let me rewind to back when I was broke and I couldn't acquire 2 cents. And now I got 2 rents. They was sleeping on me, homie, must have got too big. Call my phone, I be like, who this? Damn right, hell yeah, I'm brand new. Smell like can too. I'm fresh forever like canned food. Try and tell me what I can't do. I wanna see the world, my vision on Shamu. That mean I got goals that's real big, foes that's real big. Your offer too little, sorry, my soul is real big. Coming into the ring with blows that's real big. I gotta do it big, that's the only way I can live.
So let me show you how they look, how the rear wing and the rear diffuser look. I really like the style of it. It's also really easy to install, just a few minutes. And there's the diffuser. Ours already got a little bit burned up, as you can see from the exhaust. But besides that, it fits very well. It needs some work to make it perfect, especially on top of it, on the upper side of here. I don't know if you can see it. It's not perfect, but it was the first we installed and we made it better with each one. So it gets better. Because you don't have any bolts to mount it to the car. So you need to bond it, and on top of here it's always a little bit fuzzy because you don't have that much space or that much room to bond it to the car. And yeah, that's not ideal, but we found a way to make it work. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a good day. Goodbye.